Hi, my friend. How's your life going? We talk about many things on this channel to help you to feel at your best. But how about your life? How's things going for you? You get up every day. How do you feel? You feel happy? You feel sad? Everything working out for you? Tell me. Wouldn't you like to have everything taken care of? That's right. Everything taken care of. Wouldn't it be great to have everything taken care of? I mean, everything. Healing everything. Everything gets healed. Everything covered. Whatever you want. Your intent. What is your intent? Say your intent, and everything shall be healed. And that's what this session is for. Everything. Everything that you want. It can be anything you want, but it's everything. Everything is covered. Whatever you need healing, I provide it for you. I take good care of you. We take away whatever needs to be taken away. We heal whatever needs to be healed. You have emotional, spiritual, physical, and mental. You got the 4 in Reiki. There's also spiritual cleansing, shaman. There's so many different things. Protect your house, protect yourself, protect your family, all of that as well. Also, concentrating on your self-care and your self-awareness and your confidence. Maybe you need a confidence back. You lost it somehow. Maybe it's worth work on that. We can work at anything you want. Work on getting yourself together, straighten out, get yourself back on the path of life, and get yourself going and motivated enough to do the straight and narrow, to be the best, to understand that life is precious, life is whole, life is good. You have to remember all that. Do the right things. Make your life better. Help others too. Make their life good. If you can. Only do what you can. First, you come first. You're not being selfish. You're not being greedy. You're taking care of your own needs. You have to. You got to take care of your own needs so you can advance. Once you take care of your own needs, you can help others. Always good to do right things. When you help others, like myself, I help you daily. Every day you get healing. It could be anything, but this covers everything. Anything and everything in this session. Whatever you want, we're covering it. I'm giving that to you. You've been very loyal here, and that's the least I can do, is to give you healing for everything. Anything. So that's everything and anything that can be healed with life force energy. It's life force energy, invisible healing energy. Your life, when you take a deep breath, you bring that life force energy into you. You have to be directed. Out of the box, when you're born, you don't know where to go. Your parents are there, they guide you to teach you what they have been taught when they were younger. And they instilled it into you. And you have the knowledge and wisdom of your folks. They are your teachers. And when they're done teaching you, you go to school. And the teacher teaches you. And as you grow up and you go to different levels in your schooling, you learn more and more about life, people, and happiness. You learn about nature. You learn about physics. You learn about mathematics. You learn about how the planet. That's where the quantum comes in again, boy. A quantum energy again. You'll learn all about all of this. How we live. How we live in this world. This is our world. Earth. One of so many planets in the universe. Then you have a multitude of universes. It goes beyond. But everybody goes to the same place in this planet. When you pass on, you go to the same place. It's a good place. A place that makes your life fulfilled and you keep going. Because you're an energy. You're a spark. You are your soul and everything. It's energy, pure energy. You're in the body. The body you control. You live out the life in this body until you gain all the knowledge and everything you need so you can go on beyond this body. This body gets tired, gets weak, gets old. But you, inside, stays the same. You are just like that 5-year-old when you were born, like I explained many times before. You are you. And no one can change that fact. The person you are is inside. That's who you are. Outside is a shell. But you can make this shell a much better shell. You can take care of it, keep it fit, keep it healthy, and keep it wise. Think, learn, understand. Think, learn, understand. Meditate. Believe in all this quantum power, all this energy. Believe in all this. It's true. So much things. Life happens. Babies are born. Plants are grown. Kittens are born. Everything. And puppies run around. Everything is part of life. Everything is here for you to grasp. You're born. You're crying. You're let out and be able to breathe. You see the world when you first open your eyes. You say, wow. Then you see yourself and you grow up to what you are today. You are the new you. You are the wisest, smartest, intelligent person on the planet. Another one grows up. Same thing. They're the smartest, wonderful person on the planet. Another one grows up. Smartest, wisest on the planet. There's so many of you. But guess what? You don't know who to be with. You don't know who to marry. You don't know how to have kids with. You don't know what's going to happen. You don't know. And that's the mystery of all this. Where is the papers or documents in our mind that say, this is the right person for you? How do you know if that's the right person for you? Everything clicks. No, it's not going to be 100%. It might be 75% to 99%. There's always going to be something missing. But what you got, you hold on. And everything works out. You get married, have kids, and the whole thing, and you train your kids, and you start the cycle again. And your legacy goes on throughout your descendants. Everything keeps going. And your name and who you are continuously grows. It keeps growing and growing down the line. That's how it all is. There's a plan. And you live in the plan. When you're born, there's a plan. You're part of the plan. It's up to you to decide what you want to do. Go to college, go into the military, become a wise person. You know, as a person that helps heal, like I do. I'm a healer. I heal. I heal your mind, your heart, your soul, and your body. Yeah, I heal everything. We heal using the life force energy or the quantum power that's out there, and we tap into that energy to help you live out your day and see the world for what it is. The world is growing. It's changing. Climates change. Everything changes. Weather gets rough. That's part of it. That's the way the world works. It expands, extracts, it grows, it keeps expanding. We have a moon out there that's a satellite that's connected to this planet. Some planets have more than one moon, but we have a moon that spins around. And the Earth spins around the sun with all the other planets. At times, the planets line up like they did the other few months up, not too long ago. All the planets lined up, and that's powerful. That's a powerful energy. You know what's more powerful than anything else right now? When you're born. Every time it's your birthday, that's power. Why? Because if you know exactly when you were born, and that, say you were born at 9 o'clock, when it hits 9 o'clock p.m., say you're born at p.m., 9 p.m. on your birthday, and every birthday, you can hold your hand here and say, for the goodness of life, it's my birthday. I wanted to take that 1 minute when I was born and heal. So at 8:59, and that 9 hits, you got 1 minute to absorb and ask for extra energy, extra protection until the next birthday. So that's the best opportunity. A lot of you didn't know that. You can ask for that extra energy. You focus on that intent. You have to know when you're born. Exact minute. And you're just right there. Boom. You stay there and you push everything you want. And that's the best time because you need that boost. You get that energy boost every time it's your birthday. But you have to know when you're born. It only works if you know exact time. It should say in your birth certificate when you were born. The real birth certificate. The one in the United States they want you to get. They want you to get it certified. They want the real birth certificate from that state. Come from that state. Not the hospital. The real one. That has all that information on there. And you need that information so you know how to meditate. For that 1 minute, you can ask for anything you want. I want to be smart. I want to be great. But it has to do with yourself. And it's only for you. You have 1 minute. Start talking. What do you want? I want to lose that weight. I want the weight to come off of me. I want to be smart. So you better make those promises, and you ask what you want. Let it manifest what you want. There's your opportunity. It's not just a birthday. Yeah, you get older, 1 year older, but take advantage of that minute that you have from the time you're about to born and be conceived. You got it. Use that minute wisely. Ask what you want. That's your opening. And then when that minute's finished, you're 1 year older. And you start your new life for 12 months. And you wait until your birthday comes again. You see the cycle? And that happens. So, and by the way, it's your birthday today? Happy birthday. You gotta know when you're born. It should be on your documents. To the precise letter. If you're born like 1 p.m. or maybe at 12:59 p.m. You have to know exactly when, in that minute right there. When it clicks, you have 1 minute. 1 minute to determine what you want in life. What do you want? Say it then. You only got 1 minute, and then when that minute's over, you're older. 1 year old, you're another year old. And you have to wait 12 months before it can come back again. So that's what your giving gift is. Not only getting older, but a gift to ask for something. And if you did if you made your life great and you helped others, a lot of good things happen to you. You get that tingling feeling in your legs and you feel different. I want you to feel good. And I want you to feel healed. And I want you to be happy. We're friends, you and me. You're my friend. I'm here all the time for you. I'm here to make your life better. I'm here to make your life wonderful. I want you to be happy. You gotta be happy. You gotta feel good about yourself. That's the key to all of this. You got to feel good and you gotta feel happy. Are you happy? Good. It's good to know. Repeat this session. Repeat it as many times as you need. Always repeat it. It'll help you, motivate you, give you what you need to know. All these sessions have that ability to give you what you need to know, to make your life a lot better than it is now. We have a few seconds left to help you understand all of this. I send you a spiritual shield, a 360-degree spiritual shield to protect you, to protect all of you, all your auras and all your chakras, and most of all your spark, the little you inside, to keep that protected. You want to say protected so nothing can bother you in life. You feel good and you feel understandable and you feel great. And you got all of this in your life right now. I'm here for you. You feel the power and you feel the might. You feel everything so great. It's all wonderful now. Hey, it's my pleasure to make you feel healed. Again, take a deep breath and you feel it. Okay? This is just to help you, motivate you for your life. And anyway, this takes care of everything and anything you want. And that's it. Hey, take care. See you later, my friend. Bye for now.